Welcome back to another long format video after a very long time. So today's video is definitely about a dump truck, but not the Hitachi Tomica one, but this CAT 775E. But before I start the video, I would really appreciate if you please subscribe to my channel and check out my videos in the channel. Thank you. So first we'll go into the packaging of this 775E dump truck of Caterpillar. So this I think is the actual 164 scale. Compared to the Tomica, this is the 185 times smaller than the actual one, and this is the actual 64 scale. So you can see the difference in the scale. So this is almost the size of a Hot Wheels. So we'll go into the packaging of the Caterpillar 775E box. So you can see there are a lot of Caterpillar logos everywhere. And this, they have branded it as a toy, I think, because they have given play and collect, and there are many other versions of the Caterpillar trucks, like an excavator, a wheel loader, then a scraper. Like I told earlier, this is a major ISO in my collection. I've been looking for this for a very long time. I remember when I was around, I think 12 or 13, I saw this dump truck in the actual quarry close to my house. And I was mind blown seeing the size of the truck. I was only half of the tire, not even half maybe. The tire was like 2 to 3 times bigger than me. And it was such a huge vehicle, like it was like a 2-story building moving in front of me. So let's go into the details. So you can see it's a well detailed model. You can see there's a hydraulics, actual working hydraulics in this compared to the smaller Tomica. Obviously size constraints are there in the Tomica, but in this they have done it in a detailed manner, in a good way. You can see the grails over here, and you can see the working hydraulics. I'll open this. I'll zoom into the hydraulics. The actual 775 truck is around 4.5 meters in height, which is almost the size of a 2-story building. And it's if you compare an average trucks are around, I think, about 3.5 meters in height and can carry about around maybe 10 to 35 tons. But this can carry about 70 to 85 tons. This is for this variant, but there are like bigger dump trucks like the Belfast and all those things, which I think can carry many, like 200 to 300 tons. So this has steerable wheels as well. And you can see there's a ladder, actual ladder, so that a person can climb onto it since it's a huge vehicle. And the grill, like all the grills in the vehicle are like really done well, even though it's in plastic. The logos, the detailing of the tanks, even the wheels look really good. The quality of rubber, 2 on the back, single wheel on the front. Definitely when talking about this 775 dump truck, we can't avoid the topic of the size of the model. So I've taken this food weigh scale of my mom. If you don't want to get slapped by your mom for using a weigh scale, you can check out the bio or the description in my channel. You can find a good weigh scale from Amazon. I have put a link of the product there. So I have taken few of the cars for the comparison of weight. So you can see this Hitachi dump truck by Tomica, then the actual Caterpillar in the box, and I've taken the usual two our Hot Wheels scale vehicles which we used to compare. So first I'll keep the dump truck of Hitachi over here. You can see it's almost about, I think, 100 grams. And Hot Wheels, obviously it's like 30 grams or 40 grams in the packet. So now we'll see the dump truck of Caterpillar Diecast Masters in the box. So you can see it's almost around 700 grams in the box. That's a very huge model for the size, like compared to the Hot Wheels. Like Hot Wheels are usually just 36 to 45 grams. So you can see it's like many times bigger than the Hot Wheels. We'll even open the box and keep the model alone and see how much is the weight. You can see that the truck alone weighs about 500 grams, exactly 500, even without the package. So it's a very sturdy model, I think completely made in metal, except few plastic parts. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please drop a like and do subscribe to my channel. And do check out my Instagram page for more pictures on this Caterpillar truck and other diecast models. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. Once again, thank you for watching.